Hi everybody, and I'm here in Observatory. Check it out. That's the border line. Okay, and I'm gonna walk you all the way through to Old Main Road, where I just want to show you some epic shops and some nice murals against the walls. It's not going to be a long walk, but yeah, it gives you a glimpse into the neighborhood called Observatory, or like we say, OBS, in Cape Town. All right, well, enjoy the walk with me. Let's go. Now, when I came to Cape Town, I stayed here in Observatory for about 3 or 4 months, can't remember. It's very difficult to find accommodation, long-term accommodation in Cape Town. Very easy to find hotels and backpackers and short-term accommodation like that. Accommodation all over Woodstock and Observatory, one of the two inexpensive areas in Cape Town.
Oh, I can. Bus is my place.
Everything's old, run down. It's not a clean neighborhood. So you'll notice there's one guy hanging out of the window. Okay, so he shouts where the taxi's going. We call them taxis. And yeah, the taxis are crazy in Cape Town. That's the main reason why my city bus routes aren't being expanded, because the taxis complain. I'm not sure what this Cape Town Science Centre is, but it looks interesting. It's closed at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, because that's going to get me to Lower Main Road, or Main Road. Oh yeah, check out this fan. I don't know exactly. This is like a rock climbing studio or something. Everything is very old in this neighborhood. This is beautiful, right? Almost there. Okay, it's a Methodist church. Check. Don't sit here. I can just see somebody being drunk or stoned and actually sitting on it. Yeah. Okay, now we get into the heart of OBS. Just taking this off my head, yeah. Okay, all right. These murals are gorgeous, especially the one with the bee. Look at this house. Yeah, stunning, right? I love it. It's such a vibe. So that part is not the safest, but if you come on this side, it's not bad at all. Look at that bee. That is so cool. Hello. And then here this is the Obscene Parrot. They have live music and stuff here on weekends in the evening. It's a very cool place.
Yes, please. Thank you for everything you all do. It's much appreciated.
Very cool place, yes. You can definitely come and enjoy yourself here. Hi, how's it going? Good, thank you.
Yes, that's what I said. You can't do anything for 20 now. Let me count to 110.
Check out this awesome building. It must be a church too. There are churches here. Wow. Very cool. French town. Oh. Hey, how's it going?
Hello, how are you doing?
Good on you.
How are you doing?
Yeah, you're on YouTube.
Please, put us in. It's Kieran's Creations, man. No, we all learn.
Nice, nice. French town. I had to walk in, right?
Yeah. Have a lovely day, man.
You too, thanks. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good, thank you. You must be a local on OBS. 3 months ago I saw you in the Obscene Parrot when that German chick was performing. Can you remember? Yeah, television. He's got the coolest hair, right? That's why I remember him. That night I was just looking at his hair, I'm like, that is so cool. He's styling the grey. And here the color starts. Yeah, this is Observatory. If you're in for a Joel and a very chill vibe, this is your spot. This is where you want to be. Stones. Oh, it's a franchise. They have one in Sea Point too. Or maybe the one in Sea Point moved here. Oh man, I used to play pool there like every weekend. Very colorful, very awesome vibe here. A lot of Rastafarians, a lot of ganja doing the round. I don't smoke, but yeah. Look at that mountain. Yeah, Woodstock and OBS, they've got the best view of the mountain for sure. These buildings, very cool, right? other thrift stores too. Okay, well everybody, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed the walk through OBS or Observatory with me, and I've shown you a lot of places. Unfortunately, I had to do a lot of music mutes. It's a very vibrant space, so yeah, we also appreciate that, but yeah, for copyright issues, unfortunately, I have to mute. Okay, all right, well, until next time, everybody, keep those comments coming. Bye.